You see this? It's a progression bar. It says your Hawaiian is on its way, and you can see the gray moving to go towards the end of it.
Farino, is that what this is?
Forno.
Forno.
F-O. Oh, there it is.
Pizza's out.
There it is. Came out. Now Dave will do the unboxing so we can see it.
Ooh.
Oh my God! It actually looks
Full-on
pretty
pizza.
good.
Yeah, that's
It's
nice.
great.
Slices.
Because I couldn't possibly
Eat.
eat 8. Cut it in 4.
Cut it in 4.
That's the only problem, I guess. It's not cut.
You just have to come with your own pizza cutter.
Yeah.
It's kind of
Next time, you know.
cut. Yeah, so it's kind of
Sort of quasi-cut. All right. So you grab one and let me see your reaction to it.
it's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. Here, a piece. Okay. Yummy. We give the automatic pizza machine 2 thumbs up.